As the name suggests, the Renfert Polish 3D printed materials starter kit was specially developed for post-processing 3D printed restorations. Coordinated instruments for both resin and filament prints, combined with a specially developed polishing paste, make this kit an ideal assistant for both dental offices and labs. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions included in the kit packaging, and nothing will stand in the way of a perfect finish. First, use the Pre-Polisher 3D side to pre-finish the side surfaces of the crown at 6,000 to 10,000 revolutions per minute. Step 2. Use the Pre-Polisher 3D top to optimally prep the restoration's occlusal surface. A speed range of 6,000 to 10,000 revolutions per minute is recommended here as well. Next, the entire restoration can be polished using the Bison polishing brush and the Renfert Polish 3D printed materials polishing paste at 5,000 to 12,000 revolutions per minute. In Step 4, start the high gloss polishing using the leather buff with a recommended speed of 5,000 to 10,000 revolutions per minute. Finally, the restoration is finalized at 5,000 to 12,000 revolutions per minute using the cotton buff.